All right, guys, so we're going to do a quick coffee make. I just figured this out. There is a couple things you need to pay attention to. On the back where the water does come into play, there is a little cap on it. You need to make sure you remove it. So when you go to fill this up, you remove that little cap. There is also, this place will come off, so you can clean this whole thing. So just keep that in mind with regards to it. So make sure you have completely prepped the machines to be ready to go. So we have our coffee grounds in here. I went ahead and I'm going to show you a little bit. So let's go ahead and get 2 more. We have it fine already, which is super important. We're good there. Went ahead and did that with the Toonie. And we're going to take and add this to the top so we can get a nice, proper aspect. You can use the top of this, which is going to be your press, which makes it really nice. So you're able to press that down. Again, I am a new guy when it comes to this, so not really sure what I'm doing, learning along the way. You're going to take and put this on the side just like so. Turn it just like that. Do this all the way. So it should be front facing just like so. I'm going to put my glass in here. Don't even have a proper espresso glass, but hey. So you have your power button, and on top of this, not only do you have your power button, but you have the button for your own press, and then you have a single shot and a double shot, and then the last one's going to be the Milk Frother. So we're going to go ahead and go here. We're going to press once for it. Pause that for me real quick. So, all right, so I realized that you got to pay attention to the manual. So once you have the filter piece pulled off, it's going to take, and once it's on, it's going to start warming up the actual liquid. So going back to the end, I think this is super important to get familiar with everything. You have flashing lights, coffee or hot water preheating. So once you have this, you want to make sure that you get these. Once these are done flashing, it's going to start. It's going to be preheated, which is super important. So once we have that, so these are good now. We're going to do a single shot here. So pressing this one is a single shot, which is the middle button, and then pressing the middle button twice is going to be a double shot. And it does tell you in here how to make cappuccino and various things. And then I'm going to show you one more piece to it. The other button as well is manual coffee button. So you have the manual coffee button that's tied to the power, single and double shot, and then the last one is going to be your frothing, so milk frothing on the other side. So let's go ahead and do a single shot and see what we work with. So I read it takes about 28 seconds to run through this. We should be go ahead and gather some pressure here, which is important. So depending on how long it is, so coffee making time, single shot about 28 seconds is what it's going to take. And you can hear it moving now. You can hear the liquids and you can see everything go down, which is important. A double shot takes about 42 seconds and the maximum minimal. So let's do that. So it shows all the grams and the size of everything. So let's go ahead and build the pressure. Did you just do, what do you mean, what's 28 seconds? Did you just do 28? So we got to build up the pressure right here. We're getting there, and we should start to see some liquid come through here. Liquid gold in a minute. We are learning together, guys. Here we go. We can hear it now. Look at that. Guys, we have espresso. Got it the first time. You see it nice and hot. What's it smell like? You don't know? So we got it when it's done. Yeah, she's hot though. Hey, how about you give me some ice in here? Let's get some ice. Let's see if we can pull another shot. I don't know if this is what it's supposed to be, but we're going to see if we can pull another shot out of here at the same time. We got it filled up. Oh yeah, we got it filled up. See the top of the ice. Is that only one shot? So this is pulling now multiple shots out of it, and you're going to see the difference. So we're definitely going to see the difference here. Cool. And I know it's not meant to be exactly done this way, but this is just the way we're doing it here. And now you can see it's coming out super light. So we are at the end of it here, what we're pulling from that little bit of coffee grounds. So now that we have it done, let's finish letting it drip. Okay. All right, we're almost to the end here. We'll just let it drip. There you have it. Now it does have a little drip trail on the bottom. That smells good. That smells good. Here we go. See that beautiful color? I don't know if this is how we're exactly supposed to make it, but we are extracting out all the gorgeousness that we can of these flavors of this aspect. You want to be the first one to taste it? Okay. Might be a little hot. Is it hot? No? What do we got? We got a good taste?
Yeah.
Did it do a good job?
Yeah.
Now that we figured it out after the 14th time of doing this, let's see. Smells good. Smells like coffee.
Yeah.
Oh, that's bold. That is bold. Would you call that bold?
Yeah.
Absolutely.
That's good.
Here's a couple things, guys. Make sure you're following the directions so you can do it right. That's super important as you are pulling this together, because doing the right directions is going to lead to actually making this thing happen. Once you have it this far, you do have a cool down procedure, but we're going to slide it back, let it cool down on its own, and make it happen. Get everything cleaned up. Guys, this thing is awesome, so definitely
check it out.
Check it out.